removing discoloration from the inside of the pot. Misgaran pressure cookers are made from food-grade aluminum, which ensures safety and durability. However, over time, the inner surface may become discolored due to regular use and exposure to heat and food minerals. This is a normal reaction and does not affect the safety or performance of the cooker. To restore the original appearance of the inner surface, follow this simple, natural cleaning method. 1. Add 1 lemon for every liter of water. 2. Pour the solution into the pot, filling it to about half its capacity. 3. Place the pot on the stove and boil the solution for 15 minutes. 4. After boiling, use the same solution to gently clean the inner surface. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. This method helps remove discoloration and brings back the bright, clean look of the aluminum without using harsh chemicals or abrasives.